There's a reason Psalm 23 is one of the most loved passages in Scripture. It's not just words for funerals or moments of sorrow, it's a living reminder of how deeply God cares for us. Even in our busiest, most uncertain days, His presence brings peace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. When David called God his shepherd, he was saying something deeply personal, that the same God who commands the stars also walks beside him. A shepherd protects, provides, and knows each sheep by name. When we say, "The Lord is my shepherd," we're declaring that His care is constant, that we lack nothing truly essential. Peace isn't about having everything we want. It's about knowing that with Him, we have everything we need. He makes me lie down in green pastures. Sheep only rest when they feel completely safe. No fear, no hunger, no tension. In the same way, God gives us rest, not by force, but by creating peace around us and within us. He brings us to still waters, calm, not rushing, because He knows we need space to breathe again, to let our souls be quiet, to simply be near Him. He restores my soul. Those words are for anyone who's felt empty, drained, or lost. The word restore means to bring back. When we wander, He finds us. When we fall, He lifts us. When we grow weary, He renews us, not because we are strong, but because He is faithful. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Our shepherd doesn't just comfort us, He guides us. He shows us the right way when we can't see the way ahead. Even when we walk through uncertainty, His presence keeps us steady. And He leads us not because we deserve it, but because His love never changes. Psalm 23 isn't only about dying in peace, it's about living in His care. It's a daily reminder that we don't walk alone. The shepherd knows your pace, He knows your needs, and today, even in the middle of uncertainty, He invites you to rest in His care. When life feels uncertain, remember, you are not walking alone. The shepherd still leads. He restores, and in His care, you will always find peace. If this reflection brought you comfort today, take a moment to subscribe to Bright Path Studio, where we share hope, wisdom, and light for life's journey.